Welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Grok 4.20 model got out, and this model is totally different from all other existing models. Why? Here you see it is written Grok 4.20 contains 4 agents, and that 4 agents names are, here you see, Lucas, another one is this Benjamin, another one is this Harper, and the fourth one is the leader, which is the Grok itself, and it is written also leader. Right now the question is how these 4 agents are working together. So for that I simply search over this grok.com, their official website, this topic Claude Sonnet 4.6 versus GLM, which one to use when. So when I gave this prompt, and after that here you see that Grok is the leader and it is searching this information. So this is the searched web, then browsed, and after that this is the Lucas, and then Benjamin, then Harper. Now let me just give you a simple example so that you can understand. Here you see, let's make it super simple with a real example. Okay, imagine 4 people solving one problem together. Okay, so this is the agent, and this agent is the Grok 4.20, and one agent is the researcher, another one is the engineer, another one is the creative, and another one is the team leader. Okay, now we have already seen this Harper, Benjamin, and Lucas. Now which model is doing what things? Okay, so Harper is basically for the research purpose, and Benjamin is for the logic, math, or coding purpose, and Lucas is for the creativity purpose or explanation purpose, and Captain Gork is like a boss. So Captain Gork will decide the final answer. Okay, now they talk internally, they debate, they fix a mistake, and after that finally they will give you one final reply. Okay, now let's say this is your topic that should you start an AI YouTube channel. Okay, so as my channel is based on the AI, so that's why I have picked up this topic. Suppose this is your question, should you start an AI YouTube channel? Now the step one, okay, this is your query. Now as a user you will put your query here, right? And you have selected this Grok 4.2 model, right? Now this is step one. Step 2 is the agents start working internally. Now which agent? The agent is the Harper. So as I told you that Harper is the research agent. So Harper researches the fact which AI content is trending, and YouTube AI channel going fast, monetization possible, competition is high. Okay, so Harper gives the raw fact and data that if you want to open a AI YouTube channel, then um, is this feasible? Okay, so that's why it actually checks the facts. Now after that another agent, which is the Benjamin. So Benjamin actually for the logic purpose. So Benjamin checks the logic. So if demand is high, then supply manageable means there is an opportunity. Okay, so it actually finds the logic, and also there is a views, growth, and monetization potential, and idea is also realistic because people are also interested for the AI related things. Okay, so yes, it is possible, but niche plus consistency also needed. Okay, so it actually finds the logic. Now next is the Lucas. So Lucas is suggesting some creative ideas. Like you are opening an AI YouTube channel, it is good, but on which topic? So it is giving the channel ideas like AI tools, AI tutorials, AI comparisons, like comparison between the models, or you can talk about the tools like this Manas AI agents, and also there are various tools are there. Okay, and also you can make some AI tutorials on the agents. Okay, and also the suggest the strategies like shorts plus SEO plus trends you can follow. So these are kind of creative ideas that Lucas will suggest. Okay, I think now it is clear to you. Now the final summary is that Captain Gork is the leader, Harper is checking the facts, Benjamin checking the logic, Lucas checking the strategy. Now after that they internally remove some mistakes, merges some that is required, and gives the final polished answer to you. Okay, now final output is the you will see that this final output, that yes, starting an YouTube channel in 2026 is a good idea, blah blah blah, long content or response you will see. And here also you see that the same thing Lucas is doing. So Lucas is here, okay, Benjamin is here, and Harper is here. So Harper checking the facts, okay. So that's why it is responding, I have solid info now on Claude Sonnet 4.6. So it is checking the facts, all of that facts, the price, the context, the strength. And after that, Benjamin is actually kind of what I told you. Let me show you again. Benjamin is kind of logic verifier. Okay, so it is setting the logic. Yes, here you see Claude Sonnet 4.6 released yesterday. It is a big upgrade, and also GLM5 released on February 12. So it is finding the logic. Okay, that this model has a better consistency, low hallucination, default on Claude AI now, and also this GLM5 is very cheap and low hallucination. It is finding the logic. And Lucas is kind of a creative person. Okay, so these agents are actually working together, right? And this is the main structure of this Grok 4.2, and I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. So if you want to get this kind of detailed analysis video daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. If you want to use this model for free, just head over to this grok.com website, and there you can choose this model from this drop down, this Grok 4.2, and yes, we are good to go to use this model.